Hey y'all, today I'll be showing how I styled and installed this body wave wig I made myself. So if you like this look, stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's your girl Elena Simone and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's a hair tutorial. So if you like how I got my curls and how I installed this wig, you can keep watching. This is a very beginner friendly video. All the products I use, this is what works for me. It might be like some different products that you can incorporate in your routine, but yeah, if you want to see how I got these curls, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey y'all, first I'm starting with a fresh new wig cap, and I slip back my edges to make sure no flyaways was present.
Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up, used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you.
The wig I will be installing today is a wig I made myself. I purchased my bundles enclosure from my local beauty supply store.
And it's just with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine.
Now I'm placing my wig on to make sure it's centered correctly and secured. Next, I'm going in with my heat protector and spraying it on my hair to prevent any damage to the wig. To tame flyaways, I'm using the Pump It Up Super Hold Spray, a rat tail comb, and a hot comb to comb back the hair.
That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the rondo, I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine.
The makeup I use on my lace is Iman Powdered Foundation. To lay the lace, I'm using Got To Be Spray, but I also recommend Ebin Wonder Lace Adhesive. I start laying the lace on one side first with my rat tail comb and blow dryer to ensure the lace stays down before starting on the other side. The rat tail comb helps me lay small sections in the lace, and the blow dryer helps speed up the drying process.
Bitches exotic, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Don't leave a time when I lead her. She got an ass and I grease.
Now I'm tying my lace down with my edge band while I begin to style the rest of my hair.
Cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond hair, flanders. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah. She wanna twerk on my chain, getting that brain, swerving your lane. I took a knock off a bonnet, I had to get it, I want it honest. Private jet, Nike tag, show next. When you a boss, don't take a loss, count up a check.
To fix my part, I'm using SG High Beams Intense Temporary Spray in the color black. For this install, I use a sheet of paper to cover my part and spray right along the sides of the part to make it appear crisp and clean.
I got standards, diamond hair, flander.
With this wig, I like to have a layered look for my curls, so I'm using my hair shears and cutting in a downward motion. Now for styling, I start with the She Silk Infusion and apply a small amount to my hair. This helps give me a sleek and shiny finish afterwards. Once I decide which side I want to start with first, I section off the shortest pieces of hair in the front so I can create the curled bang. When that part is sectioned off, I like to curl my hair in 3 big sections on each side. I take the next section of hair and use my flat iron to curl away from my face. I use a bit more of heat protectant and wait a couple seconds before releasing for the curl to hold. I repeat those steps for the other side also.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in here too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do free shit, huh. My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh. I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money.
For the bang, I grab the small piece of hair I sectioned off earlier and start to curl from the top of my hair.
I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, huh. Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
Once I am done styling, I remove my edge band and use the Pump It Up holding spray to help hold the curls in place longer. Then I use my wide tooth comb to comb the curls back in the direction they are curled so they can be uniformed. After, I use my rat tail comb to pull everything forward without combing them out. Next, I use my slick stick and hot comb to make sure everything is molded and laid. Finally, I'm playing with my hair to make sure I get the look I desire. So I'm finally back, and these are the finished product. I like how they are. I like how they look layered and really curly. But, yeah, it's really pretty. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and watch my previous video, which is my vlog. And yeah, let me know how your curls turn out, how you install your wigs. I know everybody does it differently. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that. And yeah, all the products I use will be in the description box. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.